model, 63 plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 125 T350 Rwd non-runner donor repairs No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150,147. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. We suspect this had some kind of timing issue as it turns but locks up ideal donor. Some parts are missing as in the pics. Do what you want with it, totally up to you, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it.